Welcome. In a previous video, we looked at installing Microsoft SQL Server on a Windows 10 PC. In this short video, we're just going to take a look at how to enable the Microsoft.NET Framework version 3.5. It is a prerequisite for the SQL Server Express 2014 version that we installed, and in some cases it might not be installed or enabled on the PC. First step is to open or locate the control panel. Again, depending on your version of Windows, it might be a little bit different. Here I'm going to go ahead and just type it in the search window and open up the control panel. Sometimes by default your view is by category. I like to view by the small icons just so I can see all the shortcuts to the different Microsoft programs that are used. The one that we're looking for in particular is called Programs and Features, and we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then finally turn Windows features on or off. Once the window appears, we're going to want to look for the .NET Framework 3.5. Here you can see it's already enabled. For example, by default it might have not been enabled on the PC, so what you'll want to do is just make sure it's highlighted and press OK. By pressing OK, you'll go ahead and install those features, and it might be necessary for the features to be downloaded from the internet or from the installation media that was originally used. In any case, that's really all you need to do, and then you should be able to go ahead and complete that installation of Microsoft SQL Server. And that concludes this short video.